Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in the development of cities like Greater Noida. Greater Noida is a fast-growing city located in the northern part of India's national capital region. With its rapid urbanization and expansion, the need for accurate topographical surveys has become paramount. Topographical surveyors in Greater Noida are responsible for mapping the physical features of the land, including its elevation, contours, and natural and man-made structures. These surveys provide the necessary information for urban planning, infrastructure development, and construction projects. The topographical surveyors in Greater Noida utilize advanced surveying techniques and equipment to accurately measure and map the land. They use instruments such as total stations, DGPSreceivers, and laser scanners to collect data points. This data is then processed to create detailed topographic maps that depict the terrain, buildings, roads, and other features of the area. These maps are essential for architects, engineers, and developers as they provide valuable information for designing and planning projects. SCON Design is one such topographical surveying company in Greater Noida that specializes in providing comprehensive surveying services. They have a team of experienced surveyors who are well-versed in the latest surveying technologies and techniques. SCON Design understands the importance of accurate data collection and analysis in the field of topographic surveying. They ensure that their surveys are conducted with utmost precision and attention to detail, providing clients with reliable and accurate information. Whether it is a small residential development or a large-scale infrastructure project, they have the expertise to deliver high-quality surveying services. Their team of professionals is trained to identify potential challenges and obstacles during the surveying process and find innovative solutions to overcome them. Topographical surveyors are essential to the growth of urban areas like Greater Noida. The national capital region in India's north contains the rapidly expanding city of Greater Noida. Accurate topographical surveys are now more important than ever due to the country's quick urbanization and expansion. Greater Noida topographical surveyors are in charge of recording the physical characteristics of the land, including its elevation, contours, and man-made and natural structures. These studies offer the data required for construction, infrastructure, and urban planning initiatives. To precisely measure and map the terrain, Greater Noida's topographical surveyors make use of cutting-edge surveying methods and tools. To gather data points, they employ tools like total stations, DGPSreceivers, and laser scanners. Then, this information is processed to produce. Apart from topographical surveys, SCON Design also offers a wide range of other surveying services in Greater Noida. These include land surveys, boundary surveys, engineering surveys, and construction staking. Their extensive knowledge and experience in the field make them a trusted choice among clients in Greater Noida.